Start!
Hello guys, we are testing the compression of the cylinder. So we will try to start. Crank! There is no air or compression, so it's number 3. I will check the number 1 who is good. I will put the number 1 cylinder because the number 1 cylinder is good. So we will try to test number 1. Crank! Crank! Okay, crank! Oh, they have a compression. So again! Crank! So unfortunately, piston cylinder number 3 is loss of compression. Alright, inside the engine.